Well, I was pretty sure I missed that coyote, but we just walked over here and found some blood right here on this leaf where he went in, so we're probably gonna walk down through there and see if we can't find him, see how much he's bleeding. I looked back at the video and I think it just zipped the bottom of his belly open, so we'll go down through here and see if we can find him. Well, he's bleeding pretty good. I don't know if you can see it all in there, all the blood, but see if we can find a way to get around through here. Here's blood. Here's blood. He's bleeding. We tracked this coyote right here to the edge of this bluff, and we were standing up there a little ways and I heard him running around down in here and big pile of blood right there, so he's definitely gonna die, but I don't even know if we can get down through there, so we're just gonna get out of here and head to the house probably. Well, you know it sucks not being able to find them like that, but that bluff we tracked him to looked pretty nasty, so. And I mean, we were still pushing him because we heard him right down there 50 yards below us probably. I tried to get over there and see if I could see him, but he got down that bluff and it was looked pretty thick down in there, so we just decided to call it quits. It sucks, but it is what it is. Well, we just walked off how far that shot was, and it ended up being about 205. Which at the time I would have said 140, 150 probably. And that gun is sighted in dead center at 100, so I guess what happened, I didn't hold high enough on him. I just held dead center kinda. And it dropped and just zipped the bottom of his belly. I think you can kind of see it in the video. It just cuts the bottom of his belly open, but I mean, it's gonna kill him. It just kind of sucks if you don't find him, but